So here's what we're gonna do today. Oh, I need to move this down a little. I know I haven't been live coding as much as I used to. That's because there's just been a lot going on. But more importantly, I really want to get this blog migration to Gatsby finally finished. I don't know if it's going to be too hot for my computer to handle this tonight. We'll see how it goes. It's pretty toasty here in San Francisco, so I'm hoping for the best. Fingers crossed. I got most of the migration done, so the Gatsby blog itself is set up. The data is mostly migrated. I need to figure out what's wrong with a couple of missing fields and stuff like that, like some some articles ended up without hero images. There's a couple of other undefined errors. I'm waiting for Gatsby to start up so I can see what those errors actually are. We're gonna try to fix those and then figure out how to host this. The main thing for today is figuring out how to handle redirects. So if somebody comes to an old URL, we want to move them to a new URL. That's something I need to figure out. And the other thing I want to figure out is just getting actually the whole thing to render, and then I'm going to publish it as is and continue working on little improvements and updates here and there, things I want to add, features I want to have. And yeah, I really need to move it so that I start publishing new things on the new blog, because otherwise I'm never gonna switch over ever. So if you're out there and you show up on the stream, please say hi, because otherwise I have no idea if you're there. And also please tell me if something isn't working, because I also have no idea about that. And historically, when it's been this hot, my computer wasn't able to handle streaming, so I guess we'll see. I look a little bit choppy. Alright, so this managed to run, which means I can go to localhost 8000. Localhost 8000, come on, do this. Okay, and I'm gonna get a bunch of errors, or at least I should. I'm hoping it's not gonna create pages from scratch right now, because last time I did that, it took like 20 minutes. So we will see. It's currently creating pages. And okay, it's creating a lot of pages and it's having trouble with resolutions for some field. Okay, some images it's saying are larger than the actual image, which is unfortunate. Let's see. I'm gonna check how my stream is working on my phone, because I can. Library, no. How do I actually go to my currently live video? My channel. I'm currently live, yay! Okay, some images. Okay, perfect. So it seems to be working well enough. I'm still waiting for things to show up. What happens if I reload the page? Nope. So the requested width, 1200 pixels for resolution field for some sort of placeholder is larger. If possible, replace the current image with a larger one. Okay, that's not something I have the ability to do right now. That's my export. We have markdown.js. This is the wrong file. Hey Alesh, how are you doing today? Let's look for the actual project. So random coding, Swizzard's blog. Come on, computer, you can do this. Wow. Okay, so my mouse is kind of laggy right now, which is frustrating. Come on, did this manage to run yet? No. Okay, so note to self, I should have run yarn start before I started streaming, because this is taking forever. Creating articles page, article posts. Awesome, we're almost there. So yeah, I'm waiting until October to see if Apple announces any updates to the iMac Pro, and then I'm probably gonna buy one of those things, and it's going to be easier to keep live coding and producing cool content, I hope. We'll see. We'll see. But I've heard great things about the iMac Pros, and I think I'm about ready to buy one. Stream lagging for anyone else? Yeah, Alesh, I think the stream is lagging because my computer is having a hard time. Okay, so this is running a bunch of queries per second. It's almost done, almost ready for me to actually see what's up. Come on, you can do it, computer. So we're still waiting for yarn start to finish so that I can actually see what's going on. Yeah, Alesh, it stutters from time to time because it's having a hard time downsizing. You see, and now my VS Code is no longer responding. That's completely because I'm running out of CPU. Okay, so now can I run this? Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go where? I'm gonna have to figure out where the bug actually happens right now, because I can't see the error yet. So, okay, I should probably just not stream until San Francisco cools back down, or I get a better computer, because this is just not a great experience for anyone, and I think it's slowing me down as well because I have to keep waiting for the computer to do things. So yeah, see, I'm having a hard time even like clicking around my anything really. Let's see, CPU. Come on, show me the CPU usage. Yeah, see, even Activity Monitor is having a hard time reacting to my clicks and stuff, which is pretty sad. Keep waiting, please. Yeah, it should be better now that yarn finished. If it actually finished, come on. Cannot read blah. Articles grid tiles. Nice. Okay. If I try typing here, no, that doesn't work. Okay, VS Code, come on. Quit. Come on, VS Code. Please quit. Code. Kill. Force quit. There we go. Okay, now let's try opening VS Code again and then going through and fixing problems. Okay, so now one of the problems I have is that I don't actually have